pretty much this whole episode is going to be us wiring in the master bathroom. Or Daryl wiring. Hope you enjoy.
So this was in the half bath, wasn't it? There was a wall right here.
It was a full bath. Upstairs bathroom.
So this was in our full bath upstairs before we took it out. But it would have been right in the corner of that bathroom.
Behind the tub. So why are you having to cut into the wall anyway?
So that we can put receptacles where they need to be, and the wires will be run inside the wall instead of outside the wall like they were previously.
They were run outside the wall?
Just about everywhere. I mean, the rooms had working outlets, but they were run in the baseboard, so we were moving them from where they were at, running the baseboard up a little bit higher to give it a more pleasing aesthetic.
Were they up to code anyway?
No, most of them were not grounded, and wherever their home runs were run, those were typically ran on the outside of the wall and just stapled to the wall.
Underneath the paneling?
If it had paneling there, like on the back porch and where the sub panels were at, all of that stuff was just run outside the wall.
So none of that is left. That's all gone away.
None of the old electrical is left.
So we're doing a complete rewiring.
It will be wired to the 2017 code, at least, which is all Tennessee requires.
So why did you have to cut the boards out all the way over to the outlet over there? Why did you have to do that?
So that I can show the inspector where the wires will be run and that they will be secured like they're supposed to be.
And on this one, are you going to tear the boards out at the bottom like that?
No. This one will go up about 4 foot, cut a hole so that we can secure the wire at 4 foot, and then up close to the ceiling there'll be another hole where the hot wire will come in from the attic.
But it all has to be visible for the inspector.
So that he can verify that it's secured like it's supposed to be.
Alright, so show him how good you got the
Well, I need you to go get me a wood block.
beehive.
It's not much better than it was when I cleaned up a little bit. Oh, beehive.
So if you had to choose, which do you prefer, plumbing or electrical?
Sitting on the couch.
That's not an option.
Well, that's what I prefer.
I said of plumbing or electrical.
Either's fine. What did I say it was over there? 15 and
5/8?
5/8 to the top?
Yeah. To give you some perspective, this is our master bedroom is where we're working.
Master bathroom.
Bathroom, and that's the master bedroom behind that door. This is the space that was originally an upstairs kitchen and a bathroom that we tore the wall down between. We've turned it into a bathroom, a closet, and a guest bathroom. So, We gave the house a master bedroom. Where there once was none.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of master bedrooms.
This is the window that the wall fell on and broke, if anybody watched that video. Somebody broke the window.
What you trying to say?
I'm not trying to say nothing, I'm saying it.
You are saying it, aren't you?
I'm calling you out. That's easy.
Not too horribly bad, so as long as I can get to where there'll be a staple right there.
Glitter. Man glitter.
What?
It's man glitter. Sawdust in there.
Reminds me of Joker I heard recently.
Yeah, don't repeat that joke.
I may have to unplug our fan from it.
Okay. How can I be of use?
Just continue being a videographer.
Such good videography. From on my boat. You didn't cut any up high in here.
Some of them I did.
You didn't that one. You didn't that one or that one. You did that one. You did that one. You did that one. You did that one.
So where we can run the wire under.
It'll go up.
Where we can run them under, we did.
Yeah.
Where we can't run them under, we have to come in from the attic. So with this bathroom, the way it's cut up, it's just a little odd. Oh, look out. Can you come set this stuff down, Tom?
You're welcome. Glad to be of assistance. Is that just your I Spy wire?
Yeah, that's to help me find it when I go up there.
All right.
That's it? No, I gotta put a switch box there.
That's an awkward angle.
Eh?
So that's an awkward angle.
Well, that way you can see what I'm doing. And I can hold it tight against the board with this hand.
Voila.
One box.
And that wire is going to come from the attic.
Correct. So, we're on our home run to one of those two lights, and that'll serve as one of our junction boxes. Probably this light. That way we can run from that light, from our home run junction box to this receptacle, from that light to the switch, and from that light to this first outlet. From that first outlet, it'll have to, oh crud, unless I waste a bunch of wire, I could go up and over the closet door. That would be less wire.
Yeah, you can do that. Just go through that hole, or do you have to drill a separate hole?
I'll probably need to just go straight up and then over the top of the door, and then come back down to feed all this circuit.
What is that box for?
This box is for your vanity lights.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
So that's a light switch, and then this will be for your hair dryer, curling iron, and then this one will be for your straightening iron and your toothbrush charger.
Possibly. All right. So ready to pull wire.
No, I still have to cut 2 holes here and run the switch to the fan.
Oh.
Done.
Yeah. You want to take a break before we do that, or finish it?
Maybe finish it.
Okie dokie. So, Daryl is working on wiring today.
And I am not that
Proficient. Whatever that means.
Not a professional.
But you've wired a whole house before.
Yeah.
He's been in the attic, hence why he's sweating.
And help has arrived.
Papa here? Papa is here. So he is working on the switch that will turn on vanity lights in the bathroom. This is the bathroom. And this is a bug. I might need to go let Papa in. Is the door locked?